Hi, I'm Magnus. I want to experiment with some point of view footage and I try to use this old camera and I want to use some kind of mouth mount for it. First I need to determine how big the thing should be in my mouth, and the easiest way is just to use a piece of cardboard and just bite into it and see the marks, and then I know the measurements. And it's quite easy to just see the size that I need. The next step is to choose the material, and I go for this plastic cutting board. It's easy to clean because I have it in my mouth, so I want to clean it often, and it's kind of rigid and I think it will work perfect for this. So basically I want to cut the size out on this piece, a narrow piece, and drill a hole and assemble with a screw.
I used some painter's tape to make it possible to draw the shape onto the cutting board. I measured off the cardboard with my bite marks and transferred it to the cutting board, and then placed the camera in a position that seemed suitable. The compass was used to get a rounded front and also a rounded shape for the piece that were going into my mouth. I then used an awl to mark the location of where to mount the camera, and could then cut out the shape on the scroll saw. By the way, this is the kind of camera angles that I'm looking for with this new camera mount that I'm still making. Some sanding to finish off the shape. And also to round over the edges.
So, everything seems smooth and nice, and the only thing that remains is to drill the hole for the camera mount and then wash all the dust off, and then we'll try it out.
I drilled a hole for the mounting screw and also made a knob from one of the cut-offs. And then enlarged the hole a bit on one side of the knob to make room for the screw head. To make the knob accept the hex head of the screw, I had to use a combination of small chisel and a knife. And then it was just to hammer it in place.
So, I washed it and now try to assemble it on the camera. Seems to work great. Let's try it out. Yeah, that seems to work great. And that means better camera angles for future projects. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.